Hello, I'm Katie with the Greater Harrisburg Association of Realtors. We're out here today at Central Pennsylvania Food Bank celebrating our Realtors Reach Out Month.
We are helping with a lot of other realtors that are here, packing up 600 food boxes just today for those coming up for the holidays for Thanksgiving. My thing that I'm packing is cranberry sauce, which is one of my favorites for Thanksgiving.
Hey, I'm Austin from the Central Pennsylvania Food Bank. I run the volunteer department here, and we're just so happy to have the Greater Harrisburg Association of Realtors help us out in packing food boxes for the holidays this year. As a lot of folks may know, there is an endless struggle out there. There's a lot of families in need, and currently we're feeding over 268,000 individuals every single month. But volunteers like these help make their days a little bit better by preparing the food and packing boxes, sorting donations. Whatever we need help with, we can ensure that we have a great volunteer system to allow that to happen and allow all those families to have a meal at the end of the day.
Hi, I'm Sabrina Reichard, and this is Olivia Henneman. We're with Berkshire, Hathaway, and Carlisle, and we feel really good to be here today. We're doing it for a really great cause, and we're hoping to help some people out in the community today.
Hi, I'm Ellie Flamini. I'm with Berkshire Hathaway, and this is my co-op student from Central Dauphin High School, Emily. And we just thought we'd come out today and volunteer and kind of give back to the community, and we're just having a lot of fun.